Is your website driving visitors away? Stop losing potential clients. Here's what might be going wrong. Mistake number 1, slow loading speed. Did you know 40% of people leave a website if it takes more than 3 seconds to load? At GCC Marketing, we ensure your site is optimized for lightning-fast performance. Mistake number 2, cluttered design. Too much information overwhelms visitors, making them bounce fast. Our expert designers create clean, user-friendly layouts that keep visitors engaged. Mistake number 3, your site isn't mobile-friendly. With 70% of traffic coming from mobile, this is a deal breaker. We ensure your website looks stunning on any device. Mistake number 4, weak or hidden call to actions. If your visitors don't know what to do next, they'll leave. We design CTAs that guide visitors toward conversions. Mistake number 5, no trust signals. Without reviews or testimonials, visitors may question your credibility. We help build trust by incorporating social proof that encourages conversions. Ready to transform your website into a conversion machine? Let GCC Marketing fix these common mistakes and take your business to the next level. Reach out to us today and let's start building your perfect website.